Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन भक्तन की जय, नवद्वीप धाम की जय, धामवासी भक्तवृंद की जय, दया धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, सपरिकर महाप्रभु की जय, अनंत अनंत गुरु वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रीधाम परिक्रमा की जय, परिक्रमाकारी भक्तवृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Now, any bhakta and devotee has any question, they are asking, and after then class is starting. एक कोड रख लो अपने पास में, अच्छा है.
So we hear that Mahamantra is one pointed for Radha and Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. But at the same time it said Yagya Sankirtana Priya, that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is worshipped by Mahamantra. So how is it possible to worship Mahaprabhu by Radha Krishna mantra?
Now question is here, Hare Krishna, this mantra's meanings is Srila Jiva Goswami Prabhu and Rupa Goswami Prabhu and Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhakreshwar Pandit, Gopal Guru Goswami, Dhyan Chandra Goswami, other Gaudiya Rupanga, Guru Varga, they are explaining Hare Krishna meanings Radha Krishna, Hare Ram meanings Radha Raman Ram. Now is question how this is possible, this mantra it is worshipping Mahaprabhu. And this is Mahaprabhu giving. And this is Mahaprabhu's gift and Kali Yuga. This Mahamantra it is only worshipping. Any other things not possible is offering. The Mahamantra is helpful and Mahaprabhu mantra giving everything. So how this is Mahaprabhu's for using? This is now question. But Swarup-Damodar Prabhu is saying Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikritir Alladini Shakti Rasmat Ekatmanopi Bhuvipura Dehavedam Gatotu Chaitanya Akhya Prakaram Adhuna Tadyancha Chakyamaptam Radha Bhava Duti Subalitam Naumi Krishna Surupakam. This Radha Krishna Drapar Yuga, they are separate two, Swarup Shakti and Parabrahma. But Kali Yuga, no, both are different. Both are is one, same. Radhika Bhava Madhuri Asadana Sukakaz Ja Prakata Chaitanya Kali Yuga Brajaraj. Brajaraj Sri Nandanandan Krishna in Kali Yuga, Radharani's Bhava and Madhuri, mood and beauties. Everything which is combined, his king, his name is Krishna Chaitanya. But this is after sannyas. But first is his name Gauranga. Gauri Anga, then Gauranga. Outside is Gauris, all beauties. Inside Yantar Krishna, Bahir Gaura, Darsitanga Di Vaibhavam, Kalau Sankirtana Prai, Jajantihi Sumudasa. In Kali Yuga, all Pandit, Acharya, Guru Varga, everybody worshipping Mahaprabhu. How? Inside is Krishna, outside is Gaur. Both are is same time this Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. None difference, not others. Then you chanting Harinam, then Hare Krishna. What you are thinking? Hare Krishna meanings? Hare meanings? Hara Harati Prasam Mana. Anybody stealing in Krishna and keeping Krishna on nearby, their name is Hara, Hari, addressing. So this Hare Krishna, one side Srimati Radharani and Radharani's beauties are stealing, and inside Krishna himself, therefore he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu own holy name, own everything he is giving, Jiva. But Jiva not understanding, and this Mahamantra which is not worshipping Mahaprabhu, this Kali Yuga, another things not helpful. Yajna, ya dhyan, ya archan, not perfect, only Harinam. They are saying in Upanishad, ya Shastras, ki only in Kali Yuga, keval Harinama, Harinama, Harinama iva kevalam. Not saying here Krishna Nam. Krishnama, Krishnama, Krishnama iva kevalam. Not telling. Telling Harinama, Harinama, Harinama iva kevalam. Kalor nasteva, nasteva, nasteva gotirannatha. Here no giving announcement, yeah, any proper instruction. Ki Kali Yuga Krishna is chanting. Krishnam, Krishna's for Drapar Yuga, Archan. And Treta Yuga, Yajna, Ramachandra, Upasana. Krishna Upasana, Archan Puja. And Satya Yuga, Dhyan Dharana. But Kali Yuga, only Nam Sankirtanam. But this Hare Nam, only Hare meanings everybody know. This is not Hari Nam. Harinam, 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 Kevalam, not telling. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva Kevalam. So this Harinam, Radharani's name, Radharani's name, Radharani's name. Only Kali Yuga, helpful for everybody. Swarup Shakti giving shelter. Otherwise, Jiva is Shaktihin, powerless. They have no strength. They have no energy. They have no power. They are very weak. Kali Maharaj, everywhere to acquiring and arresting everybody. They have no common sense. Who are doing? No general knowledge. What they doing? But Harinam, no. Harinam, Swarup Shakti scenario took shelter. So who is giving this mood? Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Another person giving, Krishna giving, any Ram giving, Mahaprabhu himself come, this mood is giving. And he is helping. Therefore, this is not my verses, not my purport. Shastra, like saying, Guru Varga saying, clever persons, they are very brilliant. They looking and checking how to come in this Swarup Shakti's mercy. Who is Swarup Shakti? Therefore, is Kali Yuga only this Harinama. But that Hare, what is giving advice? You chanting, worshipping, serving under guidance of Brahdevis, Manjaris, my beloved Gopinath, Gopi Gopinath, Gopi Gopijana Vallabh. You are worshipping, you serving, then you getting his benefit. Otherwise, not took shelter in Swarup Shakti's near, cannot crossing in Maya, and not above of Maya, not going, then no understanding anything. Then is lost everything. Therefore, in Kali Yuga, this Harinam Sankirtanam Mahaprabhu giving advice. First is Sri Krishna Saranam Mama, no. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, no. Only Harinam. First Hare Krishna, then Hare Krishna. Krishna, Krishna, then Hare Hare. First Hare, last Hare. This is like kill. Boundaries, this side to that side, complete, fixed. After Hare Rama, Rama Rama, then Hare Hare. First Hare, then last Hare Hare. Not 1, 2. Huh? Why? Chanting time, devotees are not thinking, no understanding, then never realization coming. The Ashtakaliya Lila, Ashtajam Sadhan, Bhajan Raisya inside, Guru Padma writing everything. Therefore, this Harinam, this Kali Yuga, only Mahaprabhu's very special gift. And this Harinam, you chanting Mahaprabhu's, this is called worshipping and his preserves for everything you are doing. Then you are getting all things, everything. No more problem coming. But you are not appointed. I am chanting Harinam for whom? Who is my Ishta? Who is my everything? You don't know, then you will not understand anything. Therefore, first is this relationship. This is called Sambandha Gyan. That Sambandha Gyan, your knowledge you have, then Sat, Chit, Ananda, Kriya Shaktis, all essences coming nearby. Then never problem. Never problem coming. And then Gaur Haris, all Maha Sankirtan, all Lilavitis getting your relationship. Next, any question? The volume is giving high, now they are not hearing there. Volume. Anybody have other question? No. New devotee has.
Hare Krishna. বসবো
হ্যাঁ কেন বসবো না আপনি বসবো না কে বসবো হ্যাঁ what happened Nam Sankirtanam is how can chanting? You know, Valmiki, his previous life and same life, also he is one cheater and dacoit. Everybody is disturbing. Narada is telling you chanting God holy name, but not possible for him. Therefore, Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving advice. You worshipping Tulasi, Ganga, Ekadashi, and Vaishnavas, and Holy Dham. Therefore, Guru Varga calling, inviting everybody Holy Dham. This Dham is touching. Yesterday I also told Nityananda Prabhu, this is merciful, like his left Guru Padma bringing and giving, orphan and ignorance jivas. Then jivas are all ignorance. They are sitting is left, sleeping, staying, and they are eating, vomiting, passing, no problem. Nityananda Prabhu purify, and after Nityananda Prabhu giving this strength. Also Vaishnavas very kind. They are helping. Next is who helping? Ganga and Ganga Devi, and after who helping? Tulasi Devi. Charanamrita, Bhaktapad Dhuli আর Bhaktapad জল, ভক্তভুক্ত 3 সাধনের বল. Bhaktas feed dust, Bhaktas feed wash water, and Bhaktas remanence. This is very helpful for everybody. First is Jiva, how getting Sukriti, therefore is necessary, and there how can become faith. They will be strong, therefore necessary helping. First any Jivas near going, they cannot chanting Harinam, giving Mahaprasadam, Mahabhagavat, Guru Vargas, and Charanamrita, and Tulasi, then Jiva automatic strength is coming, power is coming. Harinam automatic chanting. Ulta japata, ulta nama japata jago jana. Valmiki Bhaya Brahma Samana. How can chanting Harinam? I don't know. Now they say, you chanting Harinam. He said, I don't know. He is speaking lot of, like Western country. One time Swami Maharaj, he is telling one old lady, please, you chanting Hare Krishna. I can't chant. Hare Krishna. I can't chant. Say Hare Krishna. Never I can chant. She is saying, I can chant, but Hare Krishna not telling. After he say, yes. No. This prasad taking? Yes. Then giving Gulab Jamun Rasgulla. She is eating, very happy. After giving one glass, lassi, yogurt lassi. She is drinking and saying, you are happy? Yes. Every day coming? Yes. Then you chanting Hare Krishna? Hare Krishna. Bhuka bhajan nahi hai Gopala. Le le tera konthi mala. First, this body is for something is giving. Mahaprasad. Mahaprasade Govindi. Nam Brahmani Vaishnavi. Salpa Punna Batangrajan. Vishyasam noiva jayate. Never can get faith. Ordinary people. Mahaprasad, Govinda and Vaishnava. No faith. Harinam for no faith. Then what doing? Necessary treatment. This treatment for Mahaprasad. Charanamrito. And then Adharamrito. Tulsi, Tirtha. Then Jiva's automatic changing. Therefore, this Mahaprabhu's Bhoga for all everywhere to begging door to door to. And bringing, collecting, and after big feast, big program, huge million people is eating. There is going house, never can forget this. Then sadhus are going, they worshipping him. Then sadhus heart melting, and automatic there is flow is going. Suddha Sattva Vishayatma, then people automatic chanting. Otherwise not possible. Any other question?
The Shastras say for our progress in Bhakti, we should develop a relationship with Vaishnava, ask him the relevant questions and listen to his answer. But we cannot.
He will say
11 questions.
Relevant questions.
Oh, relevant questions. Ask Vaishnav relevant questions.
This question, why he cannot ask?
But why her husband cannot ask?
this is nothing happen. What is course and this is his.
He's feeling he cannot approach the Vaishnavas and ask relevant questions. Some lacking in himself to approach the Vaishnavas and ask relevant questions. The Shastra is saying ask relevant questions.
How
Some,
to do this?
how
Oh, okay. Hey, you come in front of other places now, no room. No room. People have no room then. Anybody has lot of anartha, they are be afraid within Vaishnavas. They are not coming nearby. Mouse and this owl and snake and then bedbugs, mosquito, rat. They are all time hiding dark places, deep places. They cannot come out. Why? They are shy? No shy. They have problems. What problems? They are doing wrong all time. They are cheater. They are drinking, soaking blood, any others. Therefore they cannot come out. Not face to face talking. Gurudev many times saying, Gurudev sitting here like sit, a devotee not coming front of, not coming his near. Oh, that side to running, this side to running, never coming nearby. Gurudev say, why not coming my near? Why going your near? Why they not coming my near? He say, yes, I am understand now. दाल में कुछ काला है, अंदर में कुछ है, तुम्हारे अंदर कुछ रखा हुआ है, इसलिए तुम हमारे पास नहीं आता. Meaning your heart has some dark and very dirty things. Therefore you be afraid. Gurudev take out everything and cleaning me. Then how can I am doing wrong business? Therefore cannot coming out in front of Gurudev. Owl, sun rising, then hiding. Why? Very bad business. He is night time going, any birds, babies, sleeping, then they are attracting and eating. All time bad nature. Flying here and there night time. Thief, dacoit. The thief and dacoit, how can come in front of? They have no strength. I am not abusing. I am not telling direct operation not doing. I am saying honor to anybody has false ego, a false pride, and then sinful, bad activities for now also desire, they cannot possibly changing and coming Mahaprabhu's near, Guru Varga's near, direct is face to face is talking and serving. But this anartha, how can going? Therefore is praying Guru Varga, then quickly they getting relief. No more problem. But this is weakness. This weakness, Nayamatma, Balahine Nolibbo. No spiritual strength, then cannot they realizing everything, anything. No strength, then cannot come in front of. They are necessary some strength. Where to getting this strength? Go. Mahabhagavad Vishwas near, no will be shy. Serving them, following them. Their order following, then soon you getting his strength. Never problem coming. Okay? And next. ভালো করে শুনবেন হ্যাঁ টেলিং I know what
he's saying. There's some against. Saying we have no regard for any other opinion. She's asking what are these other opinions that it's rejected by Gaudiya Vaishnavas. These cheating, like Amal Puran, Bhagavatam, Krishna and Braj Gopis, they're highest. We have no regard for other opinions. She's asking what are these other cheating opinions that the Vaishnavas reject.
Oh. Like dharma to kammokho. There is. Vishwanath Thakur writing, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajasya Tanayo Tadhama Vrindavanam Rajma Kachi Dupasana Brajavadu Vargena Jaha Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramanam Amalam Prema Pumartha Mahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Tatra Adaro Naparo. This is writing and telling. This means Srimad Bhagavat, how is Amal Puran, what is giving evidence, and Jivaswar, how is helpful, then telling. Srimad Bhagavatam first verses, second verses telling, Dharma Prajita Koitavo Atra Paramon Inmasaranam Satam Vedyam Vastavam Atra Bustu Shivadam Taputraya Unmulanam. Srimad Bhagavate Mahamune Krite Kimba Paririshara Sajjaridya Varudhate Kritivi Sususuvi Tatkhana. What saying? Srimad Bhagavatam first Vyasdev is telling Dharma Prajito. I am before 4 Vedas, Upanishad, Ramayana and many other Puran, Itihas, everything I am writing and distributing. But this is I am cheating like jivas. I am giving mundane things, Dharma, Artha, Kam and Moksha. What the meaning of Dharma? Parent service, social service, working, medicine, body for body service, mind service. Not I am telling direct soul service. Not telling pure soul service for. Also, how can they crossing in Maya? They going is Jogmaya, Soul Shakti is near. I cannot give you direct any instruction. I am telling many things. First Dharma following, after Samaj Dharma, Loka Dharma, Mano Dharma, Deha Dharma, many types of Dharma. But this is bogus. This is little temporary, not permanent. And also this is not helpful for soul. Everything is useless. But I am giving instruction. Varnasramo acharavato purusena parabhuman Vishnur aradhyate panthan anyot tatto sakaranam. You helping your children, parents and your family, and this is following, then God will be happy. Mahaprabhu says, you bhajjo, a bekar, useless. Don't follow this. So what following? Mahaprabhu one by, everything rejecting. Chakravarti Thakur therefore saying, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajatanayo. Whereas other Shastras not writing like, he is telling Vishnu is God, Sun is God, Moon is God, and after many demigods, and many Varaha, Kalki, and everybody God, and Vaman, everybody Vaman the God, 24 incarnations, everybody is God. But not direct telling who is superior and who is everything. He not telling. Then Jiva is disturbed, which way going, what following, what is the meaning of Sanatana Dharma, soul, this rule regulation, he don't know. He not explaining directly. Then he is suffering. Narad is came, Narad is saying, oh, who is God? And others, his incarnations. You not explaining directly. Now you cheating Jiva. Jiva is now suffering. You therefore suffering. Then he is, Narad is advice with this. He is memorizing, remembering, thinking, praying. Then his heart is appears, this Brajalila. Who? Etijangsha Kalapumsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam, Indrari Vakulam Lokam, Medayanti Juge Juge. Krishna is God himself, superior, and other, all is his incarnations. No, all are his Godhead. After he is now Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, Brajalila watching. There are no dharma, artha, kam, moksha. Only Pancha Purushartha, Krishna Prem, Bhagat Prem, God love for all process. That God love for how Jiva going and getting his this chance. Therefore, all processes there is writing. And he is realizing. After he is writing everything and explaining, then he is feeling very happiness. So Aradhya Bhagavan Brajatanayo, no Krishna himself, Nandanandan, Brajendranandan, Gopendranandan, Jasdanandan, Gopal, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, Radhakanta, Radhavallabh, he is all in all. Brajatanayo. No Devaki Nandan. They are saying Jayati Jannivasu, Devaki Janmavado. He is not Devaki's son. This is only Prabhat, only so called. Devaki is near his affairs, only inside prison. He is not Devaki's son. He is, who are he? Jodhuvara Parishad, so Darbiresha Nadhanmam. Siratara Vijinagna Susmita Simkhena, Prajapura Bonitanam, Bardhayana Kama Devam. Only Brajanandan and Brajaraj, Gopijana Vallabh, he is only Lord himself and God himself and everything himself. Other, everybody is his incarnation. No, all, everything. Then he is writing, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajatanayo. He is my worshipable, all in all. He is never cheating in jivas, never giving any bribe. No giving dharma arthan kamukha, no giving Dwarka, sending Mathura. Brajavasi never look going Mathura and Dwarka, never meeting with his any others. They are only beloved. Krishna with his relation and Krishna with them, Brajavasi, then good. Krishna left in Brajabhumi, then no, they are not left in Brajabhumi. एकांकी नुजस्य कंचनार्थम जेवई भगवत प्रपन्ना अद्भुतम तच्चरित्रम गायंत आनंद समुद्र मग्ना. All Brajdevis are all time chanting this holy name of Gopal Govinda, not chanting Vasudevaya, Krishnaya, Govindaya, Gopijana Vallabhaya. No, only they are appointed. They are all time this Gopijana Vallabh, Gopinath, Krishna with relation. Therefore Aradhya Bhagavan Braja Tanaya. Sadham, Vrindavan, not Dwarka, no Mathura, no Kurukshetra, only Vrindavan. This is bhajan for Ananya. Ananya Sintan Tomang, Jejana Purjupasati. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna giving instruction. Ananya, who is Ananya? Nobody Ananya, no appointed. They are divided. There is running here and there. Sometimes Allahabad, sometimes Varanasi, sometimes Gangasagar, sometimes other holy dham, but Brajavasis never going anywhere. Where only the Sadham of Vrindavanam, no more. Without Vrindavan, Brajavasi never gone out, never come out. Krishna inviting, addressing, requesting, praying. Then Brajavasis are sometimes for come Kurukshetra, but they no like. But their Brajabhumi, all circle is there. Or Brajavasi without, they cannot eating anybody's one big drop of water. Not looking, not meeting, not talking, no addressing, no relation with anybody. Brajavasi is very strong. Therefore saying Krishna, Ananya Sintantamang, Jejana Purjupasate, Tesang Nityabhijuktanam, Yokshema Bhamaham. Otherwise saying, Dadati Buddhi Yogam, Tangjana Maupayantite. Who is Krishna? And how will be Ananya? Therefore Krishna giving advice, order. Only Brajavasis are Ananya, other person not Ananya. They are hostos, khichodi. Therefore Chakravarti Thakur saying, hey, Aradhya Bhagavan Brajastana. First, number one. Second, Sadhama Vrindavanam. Vrindavanam, Navadip Dhamam, non-difference. But they are not going any other places. Oh, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Gambhira, there to his teaching, everybody, 18 years, this Braja Prem. Therefore, sometime going there, learning for something, but permanently cannot stay any devotee bhakta. They are Navadip Dham, Gupta Vrindavan, otherwise real Vrindavan, not going any other places, no meeting. Sadhama Vrindavanam, Ramya Kachid Upasana. How can I worshipping him? How can I learning? Therefore, Ramya. Who is Ramya? Kachid Upasana, Brajavadu Vargena Jakalpita. Brajavijar, how serving him, how following his footsteps. Their name is Gopi, Gopa. Very hidden, very secret. They are not showing anybody what I am doing, what my nature, what is next program, how can I meeting with him. Nobody is any telling. Nobody is with his no relation. Oti Sutannaya Bhatri Bandhavan, Oti Vilingate Anyachuta Gata, Sadhana Marja Padanja Hitva, Veje Mukunda Padavim Sutvinyam. They cannot telling anybody. Husband, children, brothers, nephew, niece, mother, grandmother, any other telling? Never. Other one gopi, another gopi saying no. Any mandir is saying never. All time hidden. Direct appointed. There, that upasana, aradhana, this is right, perfect. You first, Chakravarti Thakur, this verses, meanings is understanding, at a time, Bhakti's line will be very clean. And what say? After Ramya Kachid Upasana, Brajavadu Vargena Jakalpita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Pramanam Amalam. No any other Puran, Sattik Puran, Rajasi Puran, Tamasi Puran, any other Shastra, and no need. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Tatra Daro Napara. This is Mahaprabhu's order. No going any other Shastra. No reading, no hearing, not looking, not checking. Also, there is Sukadeva Goswami saying, is 9 canto until I am speaking. This is not real. This is Bachar Vibhuti, not to Paramartha. Not this everything. After 10th canto, this is Brajalila. Also, second part Dwarka Lila, no, only Brajalila. Ras Panchadhyay, Venugit, Jugal Git, Brahmar Git, Raj Git, Gopi Git. 5 Pran, Pancha Pran. This is everything. Mahaprabhu, this is desire. And Gaudiya Vaishnava, this is following. Therefore, they cannot lost anything. They are not hostage. They are not chanting. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Not chanting Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Enatha Narayana Vasudeva. Never chanting. Govinda Gopala Mukunda Sore. Sri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare. First person appointed Gopijana Vallabhaya. Bas, no more. No more chanting. Otherwise, Mahaprabhu saying Hare Krishna. Just first time I am trying to explaining, but explaining meanings big shastra, meanings, purport. But how much I am telling? You are chanting, then realization comes. But with appointed, Ananya Sintantu, then otherwise impossible. Chakravarti Thakur, our Rasik Acharya after Rupa Goswami. And Gurudev following all time this Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, everything. Therefore, you are Gurudev Niyar is praying that all meanings, Guru Maharaj giving in your heart, never problem coming. Next, any question? কি বলছে
বলছে যে শরণাগতি বলছে আমাদের করতে হবে কিন্তু শরণাগতি বৈষ্ণব বলছে সেটা ভক্তি নয় এটা ভক্তির দরজা ভক্তিকে প্রবেশ করার জন্য কিন্তু ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুর যে গান লিখেছেন শরণাগতির কত উচ্চ ভাব আছে ওদের মধ্যে তারপরে যারা ভক্তি করছে না যারা শুরু করছে এই সব ভাব কি করে অনুভব করে
अनुकूल्यस्य संकल्प प्रतिकूल्यस्य विवर्जनम रक्षस्थिति विश्वासे गोप्तित्वे वर्णनम तथा आत्मनिक्षेपे कार्पण्ये षड्विधा शरणागति. You know these verses. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is शरणागति and Kalyan Kalpataru, Jamun Bhavali, Siddha Pranali, many things he is writing. But शरणागति, you know, where I am took shelter, whose near I am going. शरणागति meaning shelter. Understand you know? Whose near going? Trees near, creeper near, dog near, buffaloes near. शरणागति means Sharan, I am taking anybody near is going. They giving me shelter, possible. Anybody's power and capacity, then they thousand people, million people, they giving shelter. You and I, one ladies, one gents, yeah, one baby, one cow, animals, I am not give shelter, not like I am disturbed, I am suffering. Oh, headache, tension, hey, throwing everything and running. Why? I have no power. Therefore, saying Sharanagati means Anukulyasya Sankalpa Pratikulyasya Vivarjanam. Any bhakti's favorable things I am accepting, unfavorable things I am rejecting. But not possible, I have no strength. I am took shelter, any Mahabhagavat, Guru Vargas near, their power is coming, then possible, favorable things I am taking, unfavorable things I am rejecting. Now, impossible myself. Why? I have no strength. Therefore, Sharanagati, bhakti is not only door, two types of Sharanagati. One Sharanagati, Vaidhi Marga, one Raganuga Marga. This Raganuga Marga, Brajdevi's lotus feet you took shelter, you following and remembering, they never kicking and rejecting anybody. Giriraj Govardhaniya took shelter, Giriraj Govardhan never kicking. Krishna collecting all Brajavasis. Hey, come with me. Where? Govardhan Giriraj near. Go Vardhaiti iti Govardhanam. Go Gopi Ananda Vardhanam. Gopal Ananda Vardhanam. And Gavis Ananda Vardhanam. Brajavasis Ananda Vardhanam. His name Giriraj Govardhan. Now Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, Giriraj Govardhan Sila, giving Raghunath Das Goswami. You are sitting. Every day giving 8 Tulsi Manjari and Chandan and water. Now, I am here present, but whose near I took shelter? Guru Padma is near you gone, Guru Padma sending you and offering you Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Gaura Nityananda's near. Yes, I know like Gaura Nityananda. I like Gaura Gadadhar. So my choice, okay, you are speaking Gaura Gadadhar. Say no. Sometime after I am hearing Gaura Gadadhar not is enough, I like is Radha Krishna. Sometimes say no, I like only Radharani, Lolita, Vishakha, Manjari, this then. But where you took shelter then? Who is your everything? First you going Mahabhavat Guru Varga's near, asking. And how asking? Tad Viddhi Pranipatena Pariprasnena Sevayaha Upedakshanti Tegyanam Gyanina Tattadashina. By challenge, by hook and crook, by cheat, by order, by force, and going and telling, hey, you give me answer. Nothing happened, nothing coming. Realization not coming, not going inside, no touching heart, not heartfelt touch. Tad Viddhi, when, Pariprasnena, when, Sevaya. First you serving, like Narottam Thakur serving Lokanath Goswami continuously, and not only toilet cleaning, his desire fulfilling for his able and ready, then his heart is melting, everything is his giving. Then Pariprasna and Tadvidhi Pranipat, then Pranam offering for heart is then will be able. Now cannot I am offering pranam, showing Dandavat pranam, Hare Krishna, Prabhu, Dandavat pranam. But really, I cannot offer myself. Then how can they giving? I have no respect and faith. Who are not coming this faith? Therefore, Saranagati, two types of. One, Lokiki Shraddha, Lokiki, Vaidiki Bapi, Jakriya, Kriyate Mune, Hari Sivanukulloi, Sakarja Bhakti Michhata. Bhakti's definition is giving Rupa Goswami Prabhu. You have Lokiki Bhakti, ordinary, you not understand anything, but you are offering pranam by respect, faith, then they are near to coming everything. Okay, after you understanding what is pure Saranagati, where I am going, whose near I am took shelter. One side, another side saying, Vaidiki Bapi, Shastra say, go Vaishnava's near, go Guru's near, go Dham, and there is giving you everything. But I can't going. I know like, Tui Vaishnav, Mui Vaishnav, Ar Vaishnav, Hare, Tin Vaishnav, Thakte Abar Katal Khabe Pore. I am one Vaishnav, my wife another Vaishnav, my children another Vaishnav. Nah, three Vaishnav is enough. I know like any other. I cannot serve, I cannot follow, not respect any others. So this is not Vaishnavism. Vaishnavism is bigger God family. But I have no respect and faith for anybody. All are doubt. Hey, he is not Vaishnav, he is not Vaishnav, he is not Vaishnavi. He has faults, he has wrong, he has ego, this, that. That I am what collecting? Sweeper, eagle, crow, dog, nature, only lower nature. Then you are going Saranagati means whose near you took shelter? You first is thinking. Is Bodhimarga Acharya, then Bodhimarga, all still coming. Desire coming, help coming. Is Raganuga Marga, then there too, that help coming. Otherwise, I am thinking, I am going wall near, and wall is giving me, tree is giving me, and any others is giving me. Impossible. First, this is praying God near, God giving me instruction, inspiration, who is near I am going, where I am took shelter, who is my spiritual master, who is my everything. How can I am understanding my Guru Maharaj and Guru Varga, Guru is near and dearest, all. Then God is very kind. He is very soft. He is একবার দেখলে চোখে জল গৌর বলে নিতাই দেন সকল সম্বল শ্রদ্ধাবান জন হে শ্রদ্ধাবান জন only but you praying little bit God near Nityananda Prabhu merciful Mahaprabhu very merciful. He is giving you everything. Then Saranagati. This Saranagati first time bhakti is door, entrance. And after bona fide divine master near, you took shelter, then you are getting relationship, sambandha gyan, and then God family with his sambandha relation, everything there to flow is coming. They are calling, pulling, bringing nearby, and teaching, helping, everything. Then no problem. So Saranagati, not one type. Therefore, Shastra saying. Next, any question? Vaishnavas I am serving, there is God family member, God pleasures for serving. Not their personal service. Personal service for I have desire, then is problem coming. God families, Guru's families, therefore I am serving. My Guru Maharaj happiness for, God happiness for, realization for, not personal. Personal service not good. Vaishnavas near service meanings, continuously Harinam Sankirtanam, Harikatha, and Hari Seva for desire, then is Vaishnava Seva. Otherwise, only cloth and food and lodge and medicine and diet and messaging, oil, and after saying this is Vaishnava Seva, this is physically your body servant. Soul service, Vaishnava service, God service. How can soul will be strong and Shravan Kirtan Jale Karai Sinchan, Tabe Moon Latavali Jai Golok Vrindavan, watering all time this Shravan Kirtan. How is Vaishnava? How can understanding? Any Vaishnava coming, Bhakta coming, there only will be duty, these 9 names of bhaktis, rule regulations following. Without that things, there this and that running, paja pista and thumbs up and drinks, and after pakoda, halwa, malpua, and cake and everything is arranging, big feast and program. Das Goswami, my Guru Varga, they are only body maintenance for giving little bit things, not this enjoy for anything for, they are not greedy. Giving God, offering for Bhoga, everything, but they are taking only little bit and more time giving Hari Katha, Hari Seva, Hari Nam, Hari Kirtan, therefore. Otherwise, this body service is not Vaishnava service. And this is not is everything. Mind service also not everything. The soul service for helping, this is real seva. Next.
Srimurti Shradaya Sevan, one of the 5 primary. Why in Kali Yuga is Murti Seva considered one of the 5 primary?
Das Goswami saying, relation for dadati pratiginnati necessary. Guyamakati prichati bhukte bodhiseva sarvida pritilakhanam. So then he is saying, Akha Ijja Noti Suti Sankirtan, a Panchamrita Seva Govardhan. Not water, no ghee, no honey, no sugar, no yogurt and milk. Akhya Ijja Noti Suti Sankirtan. Panchamrita Seva Govardhan. He is teaching us. Then you following them, then this is proper. Sadhusanga Mutrabas, Sadhusanga Nam Kirtan, Sadhusanga Simurti Sevam, Sadhusanga Bhagavasravan, common to all Sadhusanga. Otherwise, you are arranging million liter milk and honey and ghee, sugar, water and Panchamrita. No. This is not everything. This is external. And eternal, Akhya Noti Suti Sankirtan. This Panchamrita Seva Govardhan.
What is that for? What is that?
Why not reading is Manasikkha?
Panchami.
So what is that Panchami?
Reading today? Go there.
Some people think in Vaidhi Bhakti, Thakurji Seva, only Vaidhi Bhakti, no need so much.
Anybody has love, then they cannot. No dharmam, srutikana niruktam kila guru, Braje, Radha Krishna, Seva, Prochuro, Paricharja Mihatanu, Sachisunam, Nandisara, Patisudate, Guruvaram, Mukunda, Prishnate Smara, Paramajasramana, Why Das Goswami writing then? I don't know dharma and adharma. I like seva, Radha Krishna's prochur parichorya, not little, prochur. Continuously 24 hours, not less, not only ringing bell and ring ding ding and offering bogo and then after running and sleeping. It's a prochur parichorya, 24 hours, non-stop. Then it's called seva. This is not Bhoidi Margo. Agga eva gunandosan mayadisthana pisakan dharmang samstajya mang bhajet sacha uttama. Krishna saying himself. I give him Shastra many order, many advice. This is right, this is wrong, this is truthful, this is useless. Don't follow this anything. They are not following this, everything breaking all border and boundary. They are by forces serving me. They are by love. Then how can I neglect him? I am accepting them. This is order, not my order. Why not reading Shastra? Okay. Any others?
How to acquire more taste in chanting? What should be our proper move on the time of japa? Doing kirtan. Proper move.
Ki bolche? What question?
What should be the proper move when chanting Hare?
আমরা হরিনামের রুচিকে
এই বেকার কথা বলে ওদের কথায় কাজ নেই কোনো, ওরা হরিনাম করবে না, ওদের বলে কোনো লাভ নেই, বেকার চুপ থাকো, ঢিট হয়ে যায় না বেশি, হ্যাঁ পাকা হয়ে যায়, এই চড়ে পাকা।
তাহলে কীর্তনের সময় কি ভাব নিয়ে কীর্তন?
আরে কীর্তন করবে, যখনই হরিনাম সংকীর্তন করবে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে পৌঁছে যাবে শিবের সঙ্গে। মহাপ্রভু গম্ভীর যায়, মহাপ্রভু কীভাবে কীর্তন করছেন সবসময় সেরকম আবিষ্ট হওয়া দরকার না? কীরকম হচ্ছে আবেশ সমাবেশ, আগে বেশটা হওয়া দরকার, তাহলে অনুকূল হবে। আবেশ কীর্তন করতে করতে সব সেই সময় সঙ্গে সঙ্গে সেখানে পৌঁছতে হবে। কোথায়? মহাপ্রভুর চরণে। মহাপ্রভুর কীর্তন নিত্য গীত, মেরা নেই আপকা নেই, মহাপ্রভু কীর্তন নিত্য গীত। বাদিত্র মাদন মানসর সেন রোমাঞ্চ কম্পাসু তরঙ্গ ভাজু বন্দে গুরু শ্রী চরণারবিন্দ। So, why not following Gurudev? Gurudev is, why are Gurudev? Within Mahaprabhu? You following Gurudev, then you looking Mahaprabhu. And Mahaprabhu's kirtan is starting, running, you all will be there. Then what is problem for you? Everything is coming, taste and everything coming, but you can do, you cannot going, you running here and there. Where is Bhusha? Where is Chasa? Where is Khasa? Chalo. Now,
There's one question about Uchivashi. If the deed is not installed or station is any difference?
Shastra's rules is installing deity is good. But as you know, Mahabhagavad, Guru Varga, they touching, they are by love, they giving, then deity is worshipping, then your nearest transferring love. Like they are making related and connected. Like canal, river to canal, canal to drain, drain to pipe, pipe to, then water is coming is farmhouse. Then it's good. Otherwise, you don't know how much, what is necessary, deity is not telling, too much, then problem, no, then problem. Then Guru Varga giving deities, like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving deities is Giridhari Shila, Narottam Thakur worshipping, Govinda, Gopinath, Madan Mohan, Rup Raghunath worshipping, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Radharaman worshipping. Then this is Shastra's rule of Sanskrit. Shruti, Smriti, Puranadi, Pancharatra, Vidingvina, Ojantiki, Harar Bhakti, Utpatra Eva Kevalam. Shruti, Smriti, Puran, Shastra's rule of San never breaking. Try to follow. Otherwise, your mind with this, you following bhakti, anything. This is only Utpat. Utpat means coming. Siddhi, Asiddhi, Navanidhi will be famous, popular, big acharya like this and that, many disciples, many temples, many well, but not heart melting. Tadasmasmaram ridam vadedam jadgrijyamanoi harinam adevai na bikre jada vikaro netre jalam gatra ruhe suvarsa. Outside like shaking, tears is flowing, a romantic compo, but nothing happened, heart is rock, never melting. Heart melting is necessary. How can come? Therefore, necessary all Shastras, all Guru Varga's guidance. Installing deities is good and serving by love. Installing meaning Guru Varga giving this mood, this duty is inside. Then that you are serving, going nearby, that mood coming. Like one bulb, you are powerful, then wire is connected, then you touching, oh, attractive mood. Baba, much power. And only one ordinary bulb no connected, then this bulb is not giving light, not giving heat, not helpful. This connection is necessary. Therefore, Guru Varga connecting. This is called installing, Pran Pratishtha. Okay? Now any more question?
In which mood should we perform seva? Dham seva, sorry.
Dham seva.
Oh, done.
Donation.
Done.
Guru Maharaj nearby, independent, don't do anything. Praying is near, his inspiration which is anything doing, his precepts for, this will be perfect and right. Otherwise, independently, many huge people also are doing many things. Not Sukriti, not Punya, nothing, they lost life. People also own house, morning to evening working. Many companies for service for going and hard working. But this is not is getting is any benefit. Only they giving some money, respect after a lost life. Serving own children and families. This is also the serving. Same, this holy dham, many people is staying, but they are not appointed. There is very own selfishness for enjoy for the time is passing. Working they are too much. Like I am many times is told, many sweeper in Brajadham, they also serving, sweeping. And Narottam Thakur also toilet cleaning, sweeping. The Narottam Thakur getting Loknath Goswami is all this pure Brajapremi. And this sweeper, they are money for, chapati for, bhoga for, they desire. They cannot serving Brajadham. They are not attached. So anything you doing, only Guru Maharaj desires for. And Guru Maharaj will be happy. Guru Maharaj instruction and order, they are for doing. Appointed, then result is coming. Guru Padma's love coming. Vaishnava's love coming. Then everything will be right, perfect. But independently, anything is doing, time is lost. Will be Sukriti ya Duskriti, Pap ya Punya. This is not is helpful. Not only Kirtan also, Harinam also, Mantra also. Anything is doing. This is not my business. Guru Maharaj giving Vyapsatmika Buddhirika Kurunandana Bhausaka Unandasya Buddhaya Abhavasainam. Krishna Gita is reading nicely, then understanding. Krishna say Vyapsatmika Buddhi. Your business will be soul for, pure soul for, not any other purpose. Body for, mind for, then you lost everything. Therefore, very seriously, Guru Padma's preserves for anything to do. Okay? What? Telling. You come nearby. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving this Harinam, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But Mahaprabhu before he is doing Sankirtanam, Hare Hare Namo Krishna, Jadavaya Namo, Jadavaya Madhavaya Kesavaya Namo, Gopal Govindaram, Srimadu Sudana, Giridhari Gopinath, Madana Mohana. But after अंग उपांग अस्त्र पार्षद संगे नाच भाव मूर्ति गोरा रंगे गावत कलिजुग पावन नाम ब्रह्म शचिसुत नदिया धाम हरि हरे नमो कृष्ण जादवाय नमो. Mahaprabhu starting this kirtan program. After Mahaprabhu, all jivas helping for Harinam Sankirtanam. This is giving Nam Brahma Diksha. This is Parabrahma, Nam Brahma. Harinam, God Himself with His in this world is appears. He is bringing. He is one hand like looking, all time like, and one hand is like. He is this Nam Brahma Harinam Sankirtan. Golokera Premadhana Harinam Sankirtana. This is His bringing and His giving. This is Harinam Sankirtan. This is Braja Lila, Krishna Lila, and Brajadham to Parabrahma. This one is bringing. Meanings all Brajdevis, Brajavasis love. They are continuously chanting this holy name of God. How they chanting? That mood, that everything is bringing and giving. This Harinam Sankirtan is everything in Kali Yuga. Other things is not is helpful for us. Therefore be careful, seriously chanting. One mala chanting, Bhakti Thakur say, no talking, not looking, hiding, very secretly, seriously chanting. Then everything will be good. Other question?
Says Alma can be taken away by one Vaishnava when many can be stolen by one Vaishnava when many Vaishnava.
Krishna's family members is big arranged Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's. Any pure bona fide Vaishnavas near going, he not keeping anybody's own nearby. At a time offering him, like Rupa Mandir, Rati Mandir, Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Sala Goswami, Ashtakobirya, Dadas Gopal, Susuti Mahanta, all Nityananda Prabhu's near. They are not keeping on near anything. Like Ganga water, Krishna's lotus feet to come, and over world to going, and all jivas helping and make holy place and holy dham, this holy river. Same any Vaishnavas near going, he really Vaishnava. He is washing you, cleaning you, purifying you, and offering and giving God service for attachment and attraction, affection. Then you forget everything. All time this Radha Govinda Lila Rasotis, you will observe and involve. Never possible is coming out and not looking in this world anything. He is really Vaishnava and then not you thinking, I am not respecting this Vaishnava, not possible. All Vaishnava Mahabhagavat, for your respect is coming. You have anything, you giving, but under guidance. Like Gurudev present, I am giving everything Guru Maharaj giving, distributing. I am independently giving, I don't know. And greedy people, they are taking my presentation with my heart, soul, and my heart, my body, mind. Then what doing then? Outside showing I am Vaishnava, I am Bhakta, but they are greedy like dog and eagle and crow. Then I lost. Therefore, Guru Varga saying, you serving Rupa Guna, Sala Goswami, Guru Varga. Gurudev near is going, Gurudev giving is you good praying, don't be worried. Guru Maharaj is present and eternal. He is not gone anywhere. He is present. He is everything looking and watching. Like deities are not telling anything, but deities are everything they know. How while serving him, he is giving all help and mentality and praying. Don't be worried. Okay.
Mahaprabhu Patit Pavan, Kapat Pavan now. If somebody Vaishnava coming, respecting, going hard and criticizing, is Kapat Pavan or Kapat?
Ignorance people, there is Patit Pavan Nityananda Prabhu helping them too much. Love was for them, like Ramchandra Puri. He is insulting his own Guru Maharaj. After he is insulting Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Damodar Swarup, Damodar Pandit, Mahaprabhu's near, one baby coming, like 8-9 years boy. He is like black color, very nice sign. He is coming every day, Mahaprabhu giving some prasadam, sitting, hearing Harikatha, doing Nam Sankirtanam. But Damodar Pandit not tolerates. He say, oh, hey, don't come Mahaprabhu's near. Say Mahaprabhu's near, you don't like this boy. Don't talk with him. What is problem? I can understand. Why you are disturbed? One day he is very angry. He said, don't talk with this boy. Why? Why you have love for this boy? What is problem? Oh, his mother is widow. Widow son, you like too much, then people is insulting you, or his mother with relation, therefore you like this son. So God himself, Ramchandra himself, that time also people insulting. But they are ignorance. Therefore God not angry and disturbed. Vaishnava is not angry and disturbed. They know he has no any praying. Therefore Mahaprabhu sending him Navadvip Dham. Okay, you go, Sachi Mata is near, you there will be. And serving Sachi Mata, then your brain is cleaning and washing. So Mahaprabhu not keeping nearby, other making offense. Too much more telling. So anybody, nature is insulting, what are you doing? Therefore, why you are disturbed? They are not cheater and cupboard. They are no brain, mad and crazy. Pagal. Baddha pagal. Therefore, bas, durat dandavato. Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, bas, man up. Sangana kudjat pramodasu jatu. Jogosya param paramaradukchu. No sanga, no association. Bas, durat dandavato. No more. Hari Bol. Now time is lot of 7 o'clock. আবার কালকে হবে।